Hey guys, welcome to math. Let's start by playing a game called Hide 2. So I'm going to show you some stars. You're going to show me on your fingers. And then I'm going to say hide 2. And you're going to hide 2. And we'll see how many are left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hide 2. How many are left? 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to add some more stars. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hide 2. 5 hide 2 is 3. Nice work. Okay, now I'm going to try to make it really tricky. How many stars are on my piece of paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. Now hide 2. Ooh, how do I do this on my fingers? I guess I'll have to use both hands. 7 hide 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was a fun game. Now I have another fun game to play. It's called Less Than. What does less than mean? Less than means smaller than. So if I am 25, a number less than 25 could be 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, all the way back down to 0. So now I'm going to give you some numbers. You're going to think. And then you're going to pick a number that is less than the number I'm telling you. And then I'll give you the answers too. So our first number is 1, 2. 2. Find a number less than 2. Okay, I'm going to write it down on my star paper. Do you have an answer? You can show me on your fingers what your answer is, and I'll show you on my paper what I wrote. 1 and 0 are less than 2. I draw kind of loopy 2s, don't I? You can make yours going around the track and back. But sometimes you might see one that looks like this, and it's kind of the same thing, around the track and back. All right, your next number is 3. Okay, you think. Show me on your fingers what numbers are less than 3, and I'll write it down on my piece of paper. Okay, are you ready? Do you have your answer? I have my sentence. And this time I wrote the names in letters of our numbers. Did you know that they have letter names? 0, 1, and 2 are less than 3. Okay. I'm going to give you a really big number. Find a number for me that is less than 5. Oh, I'm going to give you some time to think about this. And if you want to find all of them, you can always write them down yourself because I don't think we have that many fingers. I made a mistake when I was writing on my paper. And I'm really glad I have my eraser because it's no big deal to make mistakes. And if I didn't have a pencil today, I could just cross it out. We all make mistakes. It's part of learning. It's one of the most important parts of learning. Okay, are you ready with your fingers or your sentence? I'm ready with my sentence. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are less than 5. Nice work, you guys. So how could we write these as subtraction sentences? Let's see. 2, 3, and 5 we talked about. We're just going to do 1 less. So what's 1 less than 2 written as a subtraction sentence? 2 minus 1 equals, do it on your fingers, 1. So now I'm going to show it to you and see if you got the same thing. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay. So next it's 3, and we're going to do 1 less than 3. You can always do it on your fingers. 3 minus 1 equals 2. That's right. Let's look at it. 3 minus 1 equals 2. We have a minus sign, and it's just a short horizontal line, and our equal sign is 2 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Last we did number 5. We're going to do 1 less than 5. So 5 minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Let's check it out. Let's see what our math sentence looks like. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So now let's have a hamburger party. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hamburgers. And I'm going to give 3 to my brother. So let's turn this into a number bond. Which one is our whole? That's right, it's 10. And what are our 2 parts? We gave away 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. 10 is our whole, 3 and 7 are parts. Now let's turn this into a math sentence. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So let's think about how you can play this game at home. Do you have 10 Legos? 10 cherries? 10 raisins? 10 light bulbs in your bathroom? I don't know. Every house is different. You might even have 10 pet snails. But you can take your 10 objects, whatever they are, and you can move them around. I like to play making number bonds with plates and hula hoops. I like to draw them. I like to, well, if it's lunchtime, share them, have a real hamburger party. So you can think of a lot of fun ways that you can keep playing this game throughout the day. You can make different number bonds. You can make math sentences. Okay, let's finish up today by singing all of our subtract from 10 sentences. So get your 10 fingers. Let's do 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. Subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. Subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. Subtraction. And we can't forget 10 minus 10 is 0. Have a great rest of your day, you guys.